I am pleased to hand you the keys to these logistical and combat vehicles. Consider this a year-end gift from the people to their army. Use them to intensify the fight against terrorism. These were the words of President Ibrahim Traore as he handed over a significant batch of military equipment to the Burkinabe armed forces. This new delivery marks a crucial boost to their combat capabilities as they strive to reclaim Burkina Faso's territorial integrity. The equipment, personally provided by the president, reaffirms his unwavering commitment to eradicating the scourge of terrorism that has plagued the nation in recent years. Among the assets handed over are container units, tank trucks, and mine-resistant armored vehicles, essential tools for both combat and logistics. The ceremonial handover was overseen by the Ministry of Defense, which expressed deep gratitude for the president's steadfast support. Notably, the tanker trucks were not imported but locally assembled in Burkina Faso by skilled professionals. This remarkable achievement highlights the nation's growing industrial capabilities and President Traore's focus on fostering self-reliance while reducing dependence on foreign military aid. Since assuming office, President Traore has prioritized strengthening the national armed forces. Multiple batches of cutting-edge equipment have been delivered under his leadership, empowering Burkinabe troops to secure hard-won victories against terrorist groups threatening the nation's stability and security.